Aristotle's life and approach. Born 384 BC in Macedonia, son of a royal doctor. Tutored Alexander the Great. Founded the Lyceum in Athens, teaching while walking, peripatetics. Focused on practical wisdom, understanding how things actually work, nature, society, human life. 4 big philosophical questions and Aristotle's answers. 1. What makes people happy? The good life. Batim. Happiness comes from possessing and practicing distinct virtues. Identified 11 key virtues: courage, temperance, liberality, magnificence, magnanimity, pride, patience, truthfulness, wittiness, friendliness, modesty. The golden mean. Each virtue is the midpoint, mean, between 2 extremes vices of deficiency and excess. Example: conversation, wittiness, virtue, lies between boorishness, deficiency in humor, and buffoonery, excess in humor. Moral development. Virtue isn't innate, it's the result of habit. People lacking virtue need better guidance and teaching, not just punishment. 2. What is art for? The purpose of tragedy. Athenian tragedy, e.g. Sophocles, Euripides. Purification, cleansing. Mechanismel, watching tragic events, e.g. Oedipus cleanses the emotions of pity, reminding us terrible things can happen to good people, fostering compassion, and fear, correcting imbalances like excessive fearlessness or timidity. Art's task: to make profound truths about life memorable and impactful. 4. The types of friendship. Friendship of pleasure, based on enjoying each other's company for fun, e.g. pleasant companions at festival. Friendship of utility, based on strategic advantage or mutual benefit, e.g. business acquaintances. Friendship of the good, true friendship, based on mutual respect, admiration, and genuine care for the other person for their own sake. You care for them as much as yourself. Impact of true friendship. Expands your perspective, shares virtues, cancels defects, makes you larger, cleverer, more resilient, more fair-minded, considered the best part of life. How can ideas cut through in a busy world? Observation. The best argument doesn't always win. Art of effective persuasion and principles for persuading audiences. Recognize, acknowledge, and soothe people's fears.